All right, so we have Estella Chavez. She is active right now. She sent me her screenshot of her purchase. And this is just random. Let's go ahead and see what the dilly. This is fun, man. I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna keep it going. So if she doesn't answer, we're gonna keep it going. Keep it going. Estella?
Hey. Hi.
How are you doing? Hold on.
I'm doing well. How about yourself?
I'm very good. I called to say hello. And
Sorry, I'm in my car. I just pulled over.
you just pulled over? Well, first of all, I just want to say welcome to the 360 booth community.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you for pulling over and being safe about it. But I just called to share some good news with you real quick.
Yeah, what's up?
You're the U200 light winner.
No way.
Yes way.
Oh my God. I was like, okay, let me pull over because if it's this, it's so, I'm so happy. Oh my God. That's awesome.
Definitely. So
Thank you.
I'm so happy that you've been involved and that you sent me a screenshot of your purchase and that you made the decision to say, you know what, I do want to open up a 360 booth business. And this is you moving forward, taking a leap of faith, being confident and courageous, you know what I'm saying? Because it takes guts. So this is just
Yeah, for sure.
definitely a small way for me, just kind of help you guys out as new operators with the U200 light. Trust me, this light's going to really come in handy.
Oh my God, I'm so excited. Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
I'm telling you, I've been watching all of your YouTube videos, so you have made this process like so much easier. So thank you so much.
Thank you. I appreciate it. I'm going to keep on trying. And on top of that, when you get your 360 booth, I'm going to book an hour with you. We're going to do a 1 hour mentorship. So I'm going to give you that as well. That we can kick that off for you. Other than that, like, enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Today's Sunday. I lose track of time. Put on your seatbelt and then text message me your full address so I can get that sent over to you. Okay?
Awesome. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
All right. Congratulations. Bye.
All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Take care. All right, I'm not gonna lie, this feels real good. So we're gonna give out a second U200 light. All right, let's see who else. We gonna bless, baby, let's go. Let's see if Nesha, Denmark picks up the phone. I don't even know what state she's in, but here's her proof of purchase. And she's entered. Let's go ahead and call it here. I hope I pronounced the name correctly. Nesha? Nisha or Nesha? Yeah, we're gonna give away another one. That's for sure. That's for sure. Hey!
Hi.
What are you doing?
I am at Top Golf.
Where you at?
Top Golf.
What's that?
It's a golf place.
Okay, cool. Hey, so I just called to share some quick good news with you. Oh, she's going somewhere where she can be in peace and quiet.
This got to be good news.
Where are you running to?
To the bathroom so I can hear you better.
To the bathroom so you get more reverb and I hear that echo. You can probably hit a high note for me while you're in there. You see? So how long have you been a 360 booth operator for?
I only had it for a month.
Okay.
So I'm just starting off.
You're just starting off. Okay. So there's a couple of things I want to do for you.
Okay.
One, I want to say congratulations. You're the U200 light winner. So I'm going to be shipping this your way. Okay? That's coming your way. Cool? All right.
Because I was about to order one. Thank you.
Yeah, so right on time. God is always on time, you know? So you picked up the phone and it was perfect timing. So on top of that, since you've been doing it for about a month now, I also want to set aside and book you for 1 hour. That way we can get a one-on-one and then we can get your business going. I want to see where you're at right now and get some details, okay? She froze.
Okay.
So do me a quick favor. When you have time tonight, message me your full address so I can send that U200 light. and we're gonna stay in touch, and we're gonna do a one-on-one together. Okay?
Okay.
Enjoy the rest of your night.
You too. Thank you.
You're welcome. Talk to you soon.
Thank you.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Peace. All right, guys. So there, I ended up picking 2 winners this time around because it happens. It's like your heart starts beating, and you know these people are like, oh my goodness. Some folks never want anything in their lives. So congratulations to the 2 winners. And now, in just about 48 hours, going to be announcing the 360 booth winner. Oh my goodness, that's going to be amazing. Thank you for tuning in, guys. If you guys want to win a 360 booth, no, I said that wrong. What I wanted to say, if you guys want to enter to win a U200 Lite, I'm giving out one every single month. All you have to do is send me a screenshot of your purchase that shows your first name and last name, and that's proof to me that you guys actually made a purchase and are barely new to the game, and you guys are just ready to get started. And this is a way of me helping you guys out as one 360 booth that has probably 14 events under his belt already, helping you guys out kick off your business. Stay blessed. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.